Hello! In this tutorial, you will learn how to reserve a study space at the PCOM Library. As always, remember to begin at the library's homepage, which is located at library.pcom.edu. Navigate to the seat reservation page, located in the Services menu at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. If you're on a mobile device, tap the menu button in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, tap Services, then tap Reserve Study Space. On the next page, select Reserve. Select your campus location and zone, then click Show Availability to see your seat choices. On the single seat booking page, select the Next Available button to view free seats on the next day the study space is open, or select Go to Date to choose a specific date. You can make a reservation up to 10 days in advance of your reservation time. Use the scroll bar or swipe left to see open seats denoted as green blocks on your screen. Select a green reservation block next to the seat you want and make any changes to the length of your reservation. You can make multiple reservations without starting the process over. When you're done, select Submit Times. Log in with your PCOM username and password. Carefully read the terms and conditions of library space use, and then click Continue. On the next page, enter your mobile number and your carrier, and any comments to the library staff about your reservation, as well as your academic program. Then, submit your seat reservation. Congratulations! You'll get an email from LibCal confirming your seat reservation details. Be sure to keep this email. At your reservation time, you can check yourself in, or library staff will be happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you soon at the PCOM Library.